Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can share files between two Android mobiles using Quick Share. So this is very easy. It will take less than 30 seconds. First of all, on both the devices, turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. First on this mobile, I am doing that. Turn on the Bluetooth. Done. Finish. And on this also I'm just scrolling down and see here this is already the Bluetooth is turned on. Next, for the tutorial purpose only, I'm just clicking a picture of my laptop and I'll try to share this picture. Okay, I have taken this picture. So my aim is to transfer this picture from this mobile to this mobile. Okay, this is Moto H50 and this is Realme. Okay, not the same brands. And here for any picture or video, for any file, you will see this share option. Click on the share option and repeat here. Again click on share. So once you click on share, find the quick share. See here the quick share option is available here. Tap on the quick share and see here there is use QR code, right? Tap on this. This is for the initial connection. Okay, this QR code is open, right? Now what you can do is you can simply scan this. To scan, if you have Google Lens, that's fine, or if you have a default QR code scanner, that is also fine. I'm just opening Google Lens app on my mobile and just scanning this photo. So I'll be keeping out here. Yeah, maybe I'll be tapping on the link. So just scan it. As soon as I scan it, you will see this phone's name here, Raj phone, right? Tap on that and see here immediately the transfer got started and the image got received. So I'll be showing you now. We see here view downloads. This will be available in the download folder. Okay, see this is the picture what I have just sent. Okay, pretty easy. Just select the file which you want to send. You can go to your internal file storage, means Google Files, right? See, if the file is available in Google Files, say for example this video, if I want to send, this is a video, right? And I need to click on this share symbol here, and the process similar. Find the quick share here at the bottom, and now it is saying like looking for nearby devices, right? So here you can just, there will be quick share option here, a shortcut here in the tiles option only. I'll click on edit tiles, and here if there is quick share option, I will be attaching that. Where is this? See here, this is the quick share, right? I will be showing. If you can see, this is the quick share. I'll be tapping on this quick share so that it will get added to the tiles. So here, yeah, where is this? See here, quick share. I can tap on this. So it's, yeah, now this Raj phone is here, right? I'll be tapping on this, so this video gets transferred to this mobile with one tap. Okay, yeah, as it is video, it is taking a bit of time, 21%, 31%. See here. So likewise you can share from this mobile also. I can send it to this mobile. This is my Moto mobile, right? See here, for Moto mobile I already have quick share option here. See, this got received here. This is the video. Okay, for Moto mobile, see here, there is already quick share available. If it is not available, you can just edit the tiles here and add the tile, and that will be available on this drop down options. Okay, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.